Hello everybody, my name is John Freddy Salazar. In this case, in testing and evaluation in ELT course, in the step 5 final exam, we consist in develop the following video about proposal of evaluation, tutor and net choice. The first one is the population chosen. The population is a promotion of a private country school in a very exclusive northern area in Cali. The school has bilingual status. The school day is 8 hours. The class is 25 students. The approach. The selected group can be considered a half-a-group approach due that it belongs to the private school, which offer the students a great range of benefits in their learning process. And on the other hand, this is a school that is located in the northern area, and in addition, it has a bilingual status. I consider that this is the main approach, since the students are going to be ready to face in English the real situation in the life. The methodology. The methodology that I'm going to use for the development of the proposal on evaluation is to develop an evaluation in an online tool that let me create a form that let me to evaluate at least 3 skills, and these are reading, listening, and writing skill. This online exam is going to let the students took it at the comfort of their house and in the time what they want. This is the first part of the exam, of the online exam, and it's reading. Let's say read the following test and then answer the questions. In this part, the student must to read this reading and answer the following 3 questions. This is the first one, this is the second, and the third one. And the listening part say, listen the following audio and then answer the question. The students must to listen the audio about the Beatles, and then must answer the following 3 questions. And at the end, in the writing part, the student should write a paragraph about your favorite day, in which consists at least 50 words. Thanks for watching this video. Blessing and bye.